Now we talk about the importance of meiosis. What is the importance of meiosis? The most important feature of meiosis is the genetic variation by recombination. As we know that the natural environments in which the organisms are living, they are always changing. The temperatures change, sometimes earthquake comes and the whole environment is changed. There are different types of environmental factors which always they are modifying. The availability of foods, the availability of shelters and everything changes, and the organisms have to modify according to these environments. These recombinations by the crossing over in the prophase 1 of the meiosis provides the basis of new recombinations. And this provision of new recombination makes new characteristics. These characteristics, if are suitable for the organism and makes it more fit for the environment, the organism's survival is improved. So usually the organisms have a better survival if they have new good characteristic. But it could be otherwise. If the characteristic which appears is not good, then the survival will be reduced. And as we know that the Darwin's theory says that the fittest will survive in an environment. The second benefit is this, that because of meiosis, half number of chromosomes go to one gamete, and then the gametes have to combine. And during, as we know from the anaphase, because we covered anaphase, in anaphase, this is not necessary that whole set coming from the grandparent will go to just gamete, just one gamete. There will be a mixture because in anaphase, the chromosomes are arranged in homologous pairs, and in each pair, this is not necessary that the paternal chromosome from father will be on one side and the chromosome from mother is on the other side, but this may change. So there is a 50-50 chance that the gamete will have the paternal chromosomes or the maternal chromosomes. So in each gamete, there is a mixing or combination of few paternal and few maternal chromosomes. This provides another degree of recombination. This is the most important feature of meiosis. This is the importance of meiosis, the genetic variation, which makes usually the organisms more fit to survive in the changing environments. Just have a look in the diagram, which shows homologous pairs and then shows a recombination, a chiasmata formation at two places. And this chiasmata formation at two places, as you can see, if we look at their genes, in the initial chromosomes, there was a combination of capital Y, small y. For example, in a plant, this is for yellow and green. These are the genes for yellow and green seeds. After recombination, we can see that the first one will become yellow, the second one may become a green, the other one may become due to a recombination and in between color. So a genetic variation arises due to these recombinations in meiosis.